Hi guys, picked this one up in the charity shop today, so we'll have a look inside and see what's in there, because there's always a good chance it's missing parts. Okay, we got bits you can cut out and stick. They're not actually sticky, not actually stickers. You have to put glue on them. At least I don't think they're stickers. No, I don't think so. A couple of balloons that look like they may or may not have been used. Oh, I don't know, they may not have been used. Pop them back in there. That's what I was interested in when I bought it. Just the propeller. I thought I could do a rubber band powered car using that. Oh, fingers in the way. Ugh. Yeah, that'll do. Some more balloons, rubber bands, wheels, and drinking straws. And then in here we have the instructions. You see, so you would cut out the picture of the helicopter, stick it on the stick, wind it up and let it go. As I said in the charity shop video when I was showing you I bought this, it was really, I thought the propeller might be useful. The rest of it, well, we got some balloons there, that might be useful. Balloon powered car. An empty 600 milliliter plastic bottle. Tell you what, you do need the right size bottle because those are tiny wheels. They're not going to give you ground clearance. The ones shown there are much bigger by comparison to the bottle. Egg carrying car, yeah. Rubber band powered boat. Oh, let's be fair, you could do all of these. Balloon powered boat. Didn't see any corks in the box there. Helicopter, yeah. Rubber band helicopter. Mini catapult. Yeah, you can make that. Baking soda rocket. Done a whole series of them. I might have to do another baking powder rocket. I haven't done them for years. Did a whole series of them. Okay, I suppose we ought to do something. We'll see if we can do the helicopter. It's going to take a few minutes. Don't even think you need to watch me put it together. Cut out helicopter shape. You need the helicopter shape to stick out that way to give you a bit of rotational stability. Normally it would just try and spin round, but if you've got that sticking out, it helps to make it go up rather than round. Yeah, see if I can do one of them in a minute. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.